Document 4, the NBA's official statement. Over the last 3 decades, the NBA has developed a great affection and love for the people of China. We have seen how basketball can be an important form of bonding that deepens ties between the United States and China. At the same time, we recognize that our two countries have different political systems and belief, and like many global brands, we bring our businesses to places with different political systems around the world. Certainly, I don't come here as a commissioner of the NBA and an American to tell others how to run their governments, Silver added. At the end of the day, though, I am an American, and there are some values that are deeply rooted in the DNA of the NBA. That includes freedom of expression for our employees. So, is this document the commissioner saying that we should continue to do business with China, should not continue to do business with China? It's based off of your opinion, so you could honestly get either one from this. Just make sure you explain why here.